I'm so happy to be here with you.
These kinds of consistent character animated videos get millions of views because viewers quickly recognize and connect with the hero in every scene. Kids love watching stories where the same cute character plays, explores, and learns something new, and even older viewers enjoy how smooth and professional everything looks. In this video, I'll show you how to create a full story video with one consistent character, smooth image to video animation, and AI lip sync using Dzine step by step.
Hey everyone, I'm from Dzine. Come explore and discover more fun ways to use it.
So my friends, watch this video till the end, because I'll also give you a master prompt and a complete workflow that you can reuse for YouTube Shorts and long videos. Dzine is an all-in-one AI studio where you can create images from text, lock a consistent character, turn images into videos, add lip sync voiceover. All of this runs in your browser and is free to start, so you don't need heavy software or editing skills. Just go to Dzine AI and click Start for free. Sign up with email or Google, and in under a minute, you'll land on the main dashboard with tools like text to image, consistent characters, image to video, lip sync, storyboard, and more. You can explore advanced tools later, but in this tutorial, we'll focus only on text to image, consistent character, image to video, and lip sync. First, we'll set up everything with one master prompt, so the workflow becomes super easy. In the description, I've given you an all-in-one prompt that includes one main character description, around 10 image prompts for different scenes, around 10 matching video prompts, style and output instructions. Copy this master prompt, open ChatGPT in a new tab, paste it, and click Generate. ChatGPT will give you two clear sections. 1. Consistent image prompts using the same main character. 2. Matching video prompts for those scenes. If you want, you can tweak small details here. Change the setting from park to beach, or from balloons to cars and toys, but keep the structure the same. Now, let's create our hero. Go back to Dzine and open the text-to-image tool. Choose a kids-friendly model, something soft and colorful. Select your aspect ratio, 16.9 for horizontal, 9:16 for shorts. Copy the main character description from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Add a few extras like big expressive eyes or cute cartoon style if you want. Then click Generate. In a few seconds, you'll see a set of character images. Pick the one that looks best for your story. This is your official main character. Download it in high quality and save it. We'll use this as our reference image. If the first result is not perfect, slightly adjust the prompt and regenerate, but don't spend too long here. Once you have one strong character, you're ready for the next step. Now friends, most important part, consistency. Open the Consistent Character tool in Dzine and choose Quick Mode. Give your character a name. Upload the reference image you just downloaded. Copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Use the same model and select your aspect ratio. Click Generate. Dzine will keep the same face, style, and identity of your character, but place them in the new scene described by your prompt. Check the result. Background and pose change, but the character should look like the same person. Repeat this process for the rest of your image prompts. It's simple process. Paste next prompt, keep the same model and character, generate, and download. In a few minutes, you'll have a full storyboard of consistent images. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, ready to turn into video. Now we convert these images into animated clips. Go back to the Dzine homepage and open Image to Video. Select the keyframe mode. For each scene, 1. Upload the corresponding image from your storyboard. 2. Choose a video model like Veo, Kling, or any available model you like. 3. Set duration. Around 6-10 seconds per scene works well. 4. Select aspect ratio. 9:16 for shorts, 16.9 for long video. 5. Copy the matching video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it. Click Generate Video and wait. Dzine will add motion like camera pans, zooms, and small animations while keeping your character consistent. Do this for all your images until your full story is covered in separate clips. If any clip feels too fast or too crazy, just make the prompt softer, like gentle camera movement, simple animation, and regenerate. Now it's time to give your character a voice. Open one of your finished clips in Dzine and click on the lip sync option. Let Dzine detect the face and click Next. Next, either upload your own voiceover or type the dialogue and generate AI voice. Choose a friendly, clear voice and click Apply. Dzine will automatically sync the mouth and expressions with your audio, so it looks like the character is actually speaking.
Hey, this is so much fun. I love running in the sunshine.
Repeat this for each important clip, especially dialogue or narration parts, until your main scenes are lip-synced.
Echo contest at the Old Quarry. First shout wins lemonade.
Or we press wildflowers on the ridge.
Once you have all the clips ready, download them and join them in any simple video editor like CapCut, VN, or your favorite tool. Arrange the scenes in order so the story flows nicely from start to end. Add light background music, keep the volume under the voiceover, and if you want, add subtitles so kids and parents can read along. Export your final video in 1080p, either vertical for shorts or horizontal for a 6-7 minute full story. Upload it to YouTube, add a cute thumbnail made from one of your best scenes, and you're ready to go. This same system can be used for kids' stories, educational videos, or faceless automation channels. So my friends, using one master prompt, ChatGPT, and Dzine, you learned how to create a unique hero character, generate consistent story images, turn them into animated clips, add lip sync and narration. No complex editing, no expensive software, just your browser and your ideas. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns, and comment which part you want a deeper tutorial on next: character design, video animation, or lip sync. I'll see you in the next one.